This presentation is on how to determine the version of DWC that's installed on a workstation. First, you need to log on to the workstation as the root user. Once you're logged on, you're going to do a find. Do a find on /name TWA instance *. Properties. At this point, it's going to return two files. These are the files that will contain the version of the DWC and the version of TWS that is installed on the workstation. We go to that directory. We do a cd to /etc/TWA. Once we're in that directory, we do an ls and look at the files. It is giving us 4 files. 2 files have an extension of .extension. We want to look at the files that do not have the .ext extension. At this point, we are looking at the file called twa-instance0.twa.properties. The output of this file tells us this is DWC version 10.1.0.03, which means it's 10.1 Fixpak 3. Next, we want to look at the other file. We're looking at twa-instance1.twa.properties. The output is that this version is TWS 10.1.0.03, which is TWS 10.1 Fixpak 03. This is how you determine the versions of DWC and TWS that's installed on your workstation.